Hello kids, in this video we will talk about the respiratory system. My dear students, as we know that all living things breathe. We humans breathe in through our nose and we need oxygen so that we can survive. When we breathe, we have organs that work together and form an organ system that help us regulate oxygen in the environment and allow them to arrive at every cell. Oxygen isn't produced inside our bodies, so we need to get them from the environment. Breathing is an activity of inhaling oxygen and exhaling carbon dioxide. Now my dear students, let's do an activity. It's an activity time. Place your hand on your chest and feel it rise and fall. As you breathe in, it rises, and as you breathe out, it falls. So this process is called respiration. Now watch a sleeping baby. See how its chest rises and falls as it breathes. My dear students, now we will talk about our respiratory system. Our respiratory system consists of nose, windpipe, a pair of lungs and a diaphragm. As we breathe in our nose, air containing oxygen goes in. Through the windpipe, it reaches the lungs. Lungs. The lungs are a pair of sac-like respiratory organs that help us breathe. They are made up of thousands of air sacs which look like branches of grapes. Each air sac is surrounded by capillaries. These capillaries contain impure blood brought from the heart. As the air containing oxygen reaches the air sacs, the capillaries releases carbon dioxide and absorb the oxygen. This oxygen is then carried to all the cells in the body. The carbon dioxide from the cell which is removed from the blood is exhaled through nostrils. So my dear students, there is exchange of gases in the lungs and this process goes on continuously. Now we will talk about diaphragm, that what is diaphragm and what is the function of it. The diaphragm is located below the lungs and is a major muscle of respiration. It is large dome-shaped muscle that contracts. When we inhale, the diaphragm contracts and the chest becomes large. This contracts pull air into the lungs and our lungs expand and become bigger. But when we exhale, the diaphragm relaxes and return to its dome-like shape and air is forced out of the lungs. So our lungs become smaller. My dear students, let's understand the respiratory system through the model of lungs. This is the model of lungs. This is windpipe. These yellow color balloons are lungs and this is our diaphragm which is blue in color. Now let's understand that how our lungs work. Now when I'll pull this diaphragm, you can see here the balloon size increases, means our lungs expands. It means that when we inhale, the lungs expand, means they will become bigger in size. And when I'll push it, the size of the balloons become small. It means when we exhale, our lungs become smaller. So it keeps on going. It works continuously. It becomes big and it will become small. When I'll pull it, the size of the lungs become bigger. And when I'll push it, the size of the lungs become small. I hope you have understood the concept of respiration and how our lungs work in our body. Thank you.